each other. Only India is one country that is not particularly directly engaged in any war, and we want peace for all the countries in our world. Okay, I am Lopamudra Adhikari, and I am coming from West Bengal, a district called Bankura, and we have come here because my father, Sri Harisadhan Adhikari, he is a Kirtaniya. You probably may know him. He is a Kirtaniya. He has program here. This is why we have all come here, and they are all his team. And she's my mother, and she's my elder sister. She's my nephew. All of us has come here for his program particularly. But our main focus, we actually come here to celebrate, to see the great Jagannatha in his chariot. This is our main aim to come here. It is said that if you see Jagannath Deva on the chariot, it will give you moksha, which is the main aim of our Hinduism, or not any of our Sanatan Dharma. Our main focus, our main aim is to get moksha, and that we get easily, very easily in our Kali Yuga, and that is by seeing our great Jagannath Deva on chariot. So we have particularly, you can see huge crowd here. All of them have come with pure bhakti, with pure devotion in their heart for Jagannath Dev. We all have come to seek his blessing so that we all can live peacefully, our Bharatvarsha can live peacefully in such a time when the whole world is going through a crisis. You can see the whole world is engaged in some fight. Palestine, you can see Iran, every country are fighting against each other. Only India is one country that is not particularly directly engaged in any war, and we want peace for all the countries in our world, particularly for our India. We all want to live peacefully and in peace, so we have all come here.